Hi, this is part 3 of how to use freeplane. Today I will be going over how to demonstrate some of the features freeplane offers. So if you open the um, tree, I will be going over the appearance first. Um, let's scroll down. So nodes can have different colors. If you open that, you can format it by, okay, this is going to be red, so select the node. You can go to format. It will be node color, or you can use Alt Shift F and pick the red, and it'll change the red. It'll change the node font color to red. You can also, other than the shortcut, you can even right click and use format, and it is node color, and that was green. So you can change the font color. Nodes can have different backgrounds. For this it was pink, so let's go to format, node background color, make sure it's the background color, and change it to pink. Nodes can have different font styles, so you can have it selected. You can control B, the shortcut, or you can also use this button right here, and it'll bold. Control I for italics, or the italics button up here, and you can even do both bold and italics, and it will show. The font can be different sizes, so for small you can have it 10, normal would be 12, bigger you can put 16, probably 18 to make it noticeable, large, and even if you open this, big, even bigger. Font like it to a different font, and the fonts can be found in the toolbar. I think the toolbar is the easiest way to find the fonts. So these are different font families, and the different nodes there are different styles. So you can have the trees fork out, or they can also be bubbled. And an easy way is format, fork, or bubble. Or you can also right click, and it will be in format, fork, or bubble. So close this. Oops. Spacebar. Nodes can be folded into one, or into a tree branching out. They can contain like links to web pages, local folders, and even to other oops, not responding. Let it load for a little bit. But these nodes can connect to a different subtopic. So for web pages, you can go to insert text field, and you can type the text manually, so it would be google.com, and it'll show a red arrow. Local folders to like your C drive, and these are the other links in Mac. To follow a link, click on the link icon. So up here it was either a green arrow or a red arrow, so you would click that to make it open the window. You can label the edges. For example, right here, you can label each branch, I guess what you can call it. Trying to edit. So branch, you can label. You can have icons in the node, so that will be you can go to right click icons, and there will be different icons here, or you can even go to icons in the menu bar and pick, let's do group. You can have like arrows connecting each node, so they can connect to another with you can change to a different color, and you can also, let's go to another. Okay, changing the color. It will be connector color. And you can also change the direction it goes. So if you can also change however you want. Connectors can have labels. So if you right click, if you left click, double click. Oh, it is right click. You can change the label. You can change a label. So label middle. Let's take out label middle, and that is for connectors. Edges can be hidden. So as you can see, there is no edge connecting these two, but they are there. You can go to, let's see, right click. It is edit node, I believe. Oops, that is the text. Saw it here. It was format. The edge styles, and it would be hide edge, and as you can see, there's a dotted line hiding the edge. And for formatting, what you want to do is the map layout. It can be seen as an outline view, or as the freeplane mind map view. So if you go to view and you go to outline, it'll be a more structured outline, and you can open each like subtopic to different topics. And the outline view is better for printing. So if you go back to the mind map view, let's close that. Formatting node edges. There are different styles that you can use. You can make it invisible. You can change pretty much anything on the edge, the branch. I call them branches. Okay, so if you deselect, So right click and go to format, edge styles, and there are different things to choose from. We already did the hide edge. We can use the sharp, and it makes it into a sharper edge. You can change the color. Let's see, example. You can change the color by format, edge color, and you can also change the width to apparent, thin, 1, 2, 4, very pronounced. Next, using the physical styles, that will be under format, physical style. Just saw it over here. Format, physical style, right here, or there is the F buttons up here that can change it. So if you wanted a question, you can press F7 on the keyboard and it'll make it into a question. Highlighting nodes with clouds is something popular on this program. So if, for example, let's make this into a cloud, you can use Control Shift B as the shortcut. You can insert cloud right here, or on the menu bar there is a button that you can just click to change the color. You can use format, cloud color, or you can use the button right here on the menu bar and it will let you change the color. And each subtopic can be a cloud. So let's make this subtopic into a cloud and change the color to green. And if you open this, you can change this subtopic. Cancel. You make it into a cloud, and then you would change the color to brown. And in the outline view, it'll show it as well. Okay, so that is a basic overview on how to use freeplane. I hope that helped, and thank you for watching.